Tashi Telek Dragon sign. Let's see your energy for the May month. So this is your monthly reading for the dragon sign for the starting of the month. Okay, you are attracting lots of peace in your mind. Okay, so I think you are going through some overthinking or like some tensions or something is there in your mind. Okay, so sometimes you are going through some difficulties with sleeping also because of these thoughts, thinkings, and this something is there, okay, bothering you in your mind. So you are trying to be in a very peaceful place. Okay, so starting of the month is like you are trying your best to bring the peace in your life, peace in your mind. Okay, so maybe you are doing meditation, deep breathing. If you are not, then it's good meditation or deep breathing. Okay, so around the mid of the month, okay, mid of the month, now the happy time. Okay, you are receiving because of the meditation and that deep breathings and trying best to being in a very positive mindset and peaceful. So because of that positive energy you have tried, now you are receiving lots of good energies coming to you, good news, good opportunities, good energies are coming to you. Okay, because of these good energies, now you are feeling very happy with your relationship, with your partner, with your family members or loved ones. Okay, you are looking very happy around the mid of the month. You are celebrating with them, you are having the best moment of your life with them, with your loved ones. Okay, around the end of the month, now you have to let go the past, whatever you're holding, whatever you have done and now you are regretting, you have to let it go. Okay, you have to let it go around the end of the month, and after letting this thing go from your life, you are attracting some new journey in your life. This is very good journey. Okay, very positive energy, you're very light, happy, excitement, you are starting something new. Okay, this new is maybe about your relationship or your career path, or you are starting something new for yourself. Okay, you are going to enjoy this moment. Okay, so that's it for you. I hope this reading resonated with you. Let me know in the comment section. Claim the positive energies, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in next video.